In today's fast-paced business world, data is everywhere. But how do you transform scattered data pieces into actionable information and insights? The last mile of research is often the hardest to reach. Meet InsightXpress, your fully managed research and analytics partner. We don't just gather data, we transform it into a strategic asset. With seamless automation, real-time reporting, and expert-driven insights, we bridge the gap between data and decision-making. Whether you're an insights manager, VP data solutions, consultant, or a growing enterprise, you need more than raw data. You need a solution that simplifies, visualizes, and empowers your efforts, making you the hero of your efforts. Our service platform does just that, delivering clear, actionable insights and customized automation created by trained professionals in real time. With InsightXpress, data works for you effortlessly. Across industries, InsightXpress delivers measurable results. From better forecasting to smarter supply chain decisions, we make insights accessible and impactful. Turn your data into a competitive advantage. Get started with InsightXpress today, because the last mile of research should be effortless.